Welcome back to Fact Blizz, the channel that brings you mind-blowing facts from around the universe. Today we have a great topic for you, the fascinating planet Saturn. Get ready to be amazed as we count down the top 10 most interesting facts about this magnificent planet. Fact number 1. Saturn's spectacular rings. These stunning rings are composed of countless particles of ice, rock, and dust, ranging in size from tiny grains to gigantic chunks. The rings stretch out over 280,000 kilometers, 175,000 miles, in diameter but are incredibly thin, measuring just tens of meters thick. Can you imagine that? It's like a frisbee floating in space. But what are these rings made of? Scientists believe that they consist mainly of water ice, with traces of rocky material. These icy particles reflect sunlight, giving the rings their bright appearance. The rings are divided into several distinct sections, including the A, B, and C rings. The Cassini spacecraft, which explored Saturn, also discovered gaps within the rings caused by the gravitational forces of nearby moons. It's truly a mesmerizing sight. Fact number 2. Saturn's unique hexagon. Moving on to our next mind-boggling fact, let's talk about Saturn's hexagon. At the planet's north pole, there is an incredible and mysterious hexagonal-shaped cloud pattern. This bizarre phenomenon was first observed by the Voyager spacecraft in the 1980s and has since fascinated scientists worldwide. So, what causes this extraordinary hexagon? Well, researchers believe it's created by the planet's powerful jet streams, which flow in opposite directions. The hexagon spans approximately 30,000 kilometers, 18,640 miles, in diameter and rotates at the same rate as Saturn itself. Imagine a gigantic, six-sided hurricane on Earth. It's just mind-blowing. Fact number 3. Saturn's massive size. Our next fact will leave you in awe of Saturn's immense size. Did you know that Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, following Jupiter? Its diameter is about 120,536 kilometers, 74,897 miles, which is approximately 9 times the size of Earth. If you could place Saturn in a giant cosmic bathtub, it would float effortlessly. To truly grasp the sheer scale of Saturn, let's compare it to our home planet, Earth. If we could stack Earths inside Saturn, we would need around 760 Earths to fill its volume. Just imagine a gigantic pile of Earths towering above you. That's the level of magnitude we're talking about. Saturn's massive size allows it to hold a staggering amount of matter within its boundaries. It has a mass of approximately 95 times that of Earth, which means it has more mass than all the other planets in our solar system combined, excluding Jupiter. And speaking of Jupiter, if we were to place Saturn on top of Jupiter, it would actually float due to its lower density. But what gives Saturn its impressive size? Well, it's primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, similar to Jupiter. These gases make up the majority of its mass, with small amounts of other elements mixed in. It's like a giant gas ball floating in space, captivating astronomers and scientists for centuries. Due to its enormous size, Saturn also boasts a strong gravitational pull. If you were to stand on the surface of Saturn, which is not possible because it's a gas giant, you would feel a force of gravity approximately 1.07 times stronger than what you experience on Earth. That means if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh around 107 pounds on Saturn. Imagine feeling that extra weight with every step you take. Saturn's size also influences its atmospheric conditions. The planet's thick atmosphere extends over 300 kilometers, 186 miles, in depth, consisting mostly of molecular hydrogen and helium. Deeper within the atmosphere, the pressure and temperature increase significantly, creating extreme conditions that are inhospitable to human life. Fact number 4. Saturn's moon Enceladus. This icy moon has captured the attention of scientists due to its extraordinary geysers and the potential for harboring life. Enceladus is covered in a thick layer of ice, but beneath that frozen surface lies a global ocean of liquid water. The geysers on Enceladus erupt from cracks in the ice, spewing water vapor, ice particles, and organic molecules into space. This suggests the presence of hydrothermal vents on the moon's seafloor, which could provide the necessary conditions for life to thrive. Enceladus has become a prime target for future exploration missions, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us there. Fact number 5.
Saturn's moon Titan.
Let's keep exploring Saturn's moons with our next captivating fact. Titan, Saturn's largest moon and one of the most intriguing worlds in our solar system. Titan is the only moon known to have a substantial atmosphere, consisting mainly of nitrogen with traces of methane. In fact, its atmosphere is denser than Earth's, making it the second thickest atmosphere in our solar system. Titan's surface is also home to lakes and rivers, but instead of water, they are filled with liquid methane and ethane. It's like a completely different kind of world.
Fact number 6, the Great White Spot.
Roughly every 30 Earth years, Saturn experiences a massive storm that engulfs the entire planet. This storm, known as the Great White Spot, is a sight to behold. The Great White Spot is a gigantic atmospheric disturbance that begins as a small bright spot on Saturn and gradually expands, covering vast areas. As it grows, it triggers intense lightning, powerful winds, and torrential rain. Scientists believe that the storm is caused by the planet's internal dynamics and atmospheric changes, but there's still much to learn about this colossal phenomenon.
Fact number 7, Saturn's magnetic field.
Did you know that Saturn has an incredibly powerful magnetic field? Saturn's magnetic field is around 578 times stronger than Earth's. It's created by the movement of liquid metallic hydrogen deep within the planet, generating a magnetic bubble known as the magnetosphere. This magnetosphere extends far beyond Saturn itself, capturing and redirecting charged particles from the solar wind. The interaction between Saturn's magnetic field and the solar wind creates stunning auroras at the planet's poles, illuminating the atmosphere with beautiful displays of light.
Fact number 8, Saturn's many moons.
Saturn is known for its remarkable collection of moons, and at number 8, we have to mention their incredible diversity and numbers. Saturn boasts an astonishing 82 confirmed moons and countless moonlets, each with its own characteristics. Some of these moons, like Mimas and Tethys, showcase large impact craters, giving them a distinct appearance. Others, such as Iapetus, exhibit a stark contrast between their dark and bright hemispheres, which is still not fully understood. These moons are a testament to the incredible diversity of worlds that exist in our solar system.
Fact number 9, Saturn's gravity.
Saturn's gravity is not only responsible for holding its magnificent rings together, but it also exerts a powerful pull on everything around it. If you were standing on Saturn's surface, you would experience a gravity about 1.07 times stronger than Earth's. That means if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh around 107 pounds on Saturn.
Fact number 10, the Cassini mission.
And finally, our last fact takes us back to a remarkable mission that unveiled many of Saturn's secrets, the Cassini spacecraft. Launched in 1997, the Cassini spacecraft embarked on a 20-year-long journey to study Saturn and its moons. During its mission, Cassini provided us with breathtaking images, detailed data, and groundbreaking discoveries. It explored Saturn's rings, observed its moons up close, and even dropped a probe called Huygens onto the surface of Titan. The mission ended in 2017 with a spectacular dive into Saturn's atmosphere, ensuring that Cassini would never contaminate any potentially habitable moons. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 most interesting facts about Saturn. We hope you enjoyed this cosmic journey and learned something new today. If you want to explore more mind-blowing facts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Also, leave a comment down below letting us know which fact amazed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being curious.